Hello and welcome back. My name is Cristina, and for today I'm going to present a drink for the respiratory system, and I am targeting the condition called asthma. Fruits in general protects against asthma, whilst hamburgers and sausages promote it. For today we are going to use apples, bananas, kiwis, and a blender. We recommend to drink the smoothie in the morning, for breakfast, or as a snack in the afternoon. The smoothie is suitable for children and adults. Properties of this smoothie are anti-asthmatic, pectoral, immunostimulant, anti-allergic. This smoothie is gluten-free. It means it's suitable for people suffering of the celiac disease. Is recommended in diabetes, and for the food allergy there are no special warnings. Ingredients for 250 ml per serving. 1 medium banana, about 120 grams. It can be frozen for a better creaminess. One kiwi, about 70 grams. One cup of apple juice, about 250 milliliters. It can be homemade or canned. And 125 milliliters of water. You are going to use a blender for it. Preparation: mix all the ingredients in the blender until achieving a consistency. Drink the smoothie right away. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If so, please subscribe and give us a thumb like. We hope to see you soon. Bye bye.